So today we are going to be talking about my skincare routine. You all have been asking me to share my current skincare routine, and I have them in front of me. That's why I'm looking down here. So I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine, the products I use, how I use them, and most importantly, why I am using this routine, I am using this season, and what I expect it to do for me and how it's working. Now, first of all, why did I form this routine that I am using currently? First, if you want to form a skincare routine, you form a skincare routine based on your itinerary, like how your life works at the moment. So I got this routine because at this point in time, there are some things I cannot afford to do. I just wanted to put it out there. So there are some things you are not going to see, but I have gotten products that are going to do those things for me in an easier way. Like you're going to understand me. So the first body lotion I'm using is this. I have made I think two videos about, is it two or one, about this particular body lotion. This is the the Elen Beauty Paris Gold Toning Intense Active Lightening Body Lotion. Now this is actually an exfoliating body lotion. I made a video where I explained that. If you have not seen it, please check that video out. This is an exfoliating body lotion. It is not necessarily a lightening body lotion. Now I got this body lotion because this season I'm going to be pretty busy. I will not have time to be using body scrub, so I don't have a physical body scrub as it is. This is going to be my body scrub, and this has AHA, and it has an ingredient, a lightening ingredient, something that works like hydroquinone to work on melanin production and all of those things. Because you guys, the sun this particular season where I am is so hot. It is so hot. So, and I'm very, very intentional about it. I use products, just like I said, based on the weather, based on my schedule. So right now I know I'm going to be going out frequently. I'm going to be in the sun, and I will not have the time to be scrubbing every day and all of those is all the days I want to scrub. So I got this to be my exfoliating lotion and also sort of my lightening or melanin inhibiting lotion. Not exactly lightening. Okay, so how often do I use this body lotion? I use this body lotion only twice a week, 2 times a week. That's when I use this lotion, because I use it just like I would use my body scrub. Okay, I use it 2 times in a week, every night on my skin. Then after this body lotion, I have these two body lotions here. This is the Diesel Vitamin C body lotion, and this is the Venus Skin Toning lotion. Now I have these two lotions here for a reason. You must not have the two of them. Let me explain. Okay, now this vitamin C is my daily skin brightening body lotion. Okay, aside from this one, let's say I didn't buy this particular body lotion and I bought a body scrub, I will always get a vitamin C body lotion. So that is why I have this particular one here. So this is my daily lotion. Now I use Venus for the days I'm going to go out, especially if I use this body lotion, say yesterday night. I used this lotion yesterday night. If I'm going to go out this morning, being today, I am going to use this particular Venus skin toning lotion. I also made a review of this particular lotion and why I bought it, because this lotion has two UV tints to it. So it is very good for the days I go out, especially now that I am using an exfoliating body lotion that has an active lightening ingredient in it. Do you understand? Because if you are using a lotion like this that doesn't just have an exfoliating ingredient, because if you are using an exfoliating ingredient and you don't protect your skin from the sun, you are going to get darker, and that's what happens to a lot of you. Because as you are exfoliating your skin is going to get more sensitive to the sun, and it is going to make, once you hit the sun, your skin is just going to react and release more melanin, and you keep getting darker. Do you understand? So this one now has the exfoliant in it, and it also has melanin reduction ingredients in it, but I don't want to take my chances, and that's why I use this particular body lotion. Every day I am sure I'm going out, this is what I use. I don't use my vitamin C. When I come back in the night, I use my vitamin C. Does that make sense? So you must not use 3 of them if you want to follow my routine. You can just use these 2 and it is actually good for you to go. Just make sure if you are going to go out, you use your sunscreen. I am basically using this as a sunscreen moisturizer, however you want to put it. That's what I use this particular lotion as. So these are the 3 lotions I am using, and I believe I explained well why. Now the soap I am using is this. You all know me with this soap. I am their unofficial brand ambassador on YouTube. The Kojic White Gluta Papaya Arbutin soap. This is the soap I am using currently. This is not the soap I used last. Okay, yeah, this is, I've actually divided it. This is the third quarter. I don't know if that's correct. So that's, I cut it, I use it in bits. I don't like pull everything out so it doesn't oxidize. So I like to use it in bits. When the one I've cut out finishes, I cut out another one. That's how I use it. And I don't use this thing every day, guys. I don't use this thing every day. I use it, say, like 4 times in a week, and I can go a whole week I have not used this particular soap. I use Joy soap, I use Ivory soap, I use Lux, I use normal bathing moisturizing soaps. Okay, so I don't use this soap every single day. I can go a full week, I'll use it every day. I can go a full week, I will not use it, but I would not say this is my daily soap. Remember, this is an active soap. If you are seeing my videos for the first time, this might sound strange, but if you are my regular viewer, you know what I'm talking about. So I don't use this every day, as I already explained. So basically, this is my skin routine that you all have been asking me for. So if you'd want to try it out, you can give it a try and build it around your schedule. So I explain why I'm using. So if you're using this lotion, don't bother using a body scrub. You don't need a body scrub. If you use this lotion and use a body scrub again, you are going to be over exfoliating your skin, and what you are going to see on the long run is either you start having green veins, you start having red lines on your skin, or you are going to like affect your skin barrier and all of those things. You can even start seeing stretch marks, okay, because you are over exfoliating. So if you're using this, do not use a body scrub, because the very second ingredient of this particular body lotion is AHA. The very third is a hydroquinone alternative, a safer, effective hydroquinone alternative. So you don't need any other brightening thing. Basically, that's why I'm really spacing this particular soap. Okay, there will be a lotion I'm going to be using. I will use it every day. Like if I'm to use this design now every day, I don't have this one. I'm using only this one. I'm going to be using this every day because this is not that strong. So, but because I'm using this one that is strong, that's why I'm spacing this one. Although I'm not using this every day, I'm not even using every other day. I say I use it 2 times in a week because my complexion is okay. I'm not trying to lighten my skin. I'm just trying to maintain what I have. But it just turns out that this combo is working out very well for me. Like my skin is glowing more than usual, is looking brighter, and all of those things. That's not why I formed it, but yeah, I'm enjoying the result that I'm getting from it. So this is my body routine, and I am using it with my face routine that I have already uploaded. I don't think there's any need to talk about it. So that's everything I'm using, and it happens to be the same complexion. As you can see, I don't have any demarcation. My face, my neck, and my body, my hands, they are exactly the same complexion, so it's working. All right, so yeah, thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, if you need clarifications on this, let's have a conversation in the comment section. And yeah,